Hello everyone. This is a quick video just to show you how to use the extra functions that some of these buttons have on them. As you can see on buttons such as the extra rinse, the rinse and spin, the spin only, and this cold wash, they have another little thing underneath there that tells you you also have like an extra function of the signal. There's how you activate the pre-wash, the control lock, which is also the child lock, and then if you just want to do a spin of something, if it's still a little wet, where you can activate just the spin and it won't go through all the other cycles. How you get those is, if you see this up here, it says hold for 3 seconds. Extra function, that's for everything here with that little star next to it. For instance, like if I want the pre-wash, all I gotta do is push it, hold my finger on it, there you go. And as you can see, the pre-wash light lit up after I held it for 3 seconds. If you didn't want it, then it takes it off again for 3 seconds. This is the control lock. There, that turns that on. Now you can't really run the machine. Hold it again to cancel it. This is the spin only. As you can see, it gives you a 13-minute spin. If you want to wring things out a little better. As you can see, this one here won't let you take it off of it. To get it off of that, you basically have to move the selector knob to get that one off. And the tone, the InCycle Signal. Now as you can see as I'm moving this, that actually turned the sound off. And when the cycle's over, it won't make the sound at the end of the cycle. You see, as I'm changing that, it's not making the sound. Hold for 3 seconds, I get it to come back on again. Now as you can see, it's back on again, and then the InCycle Signal will happen when it finishes a wash cycle. And that's how you're able to use these extra settings on the LG the LG WD100C washer. That's how you use the extra settings that you see below these controls. I hope this helps you to understand how to be able to use those extra settings. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and God bless. So long.